Well, hello everybody, Timothy Thomas here. Super excited to get up here today and record a quick video for you today. Hey guys, I'll be brief on this video. I want to get up here, guys, before I go into the video. If this is your first time to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you like the video. Want to create ways that you can earn money at home, not just with mail order. My channel has been about a lot of direct mail programs, and there is a ton of direct mail programs on my YouTube channel. So when you get a chance, guys, you can go check out our mail order programs and we can go from there. Let's see, Timothy Thomas, let's go over here. We'll key in the millionaire mailer. When you go here, a millionaire, let's go to millionaire mailer 2019. All right, guys, we can go and we can find Timothy Thomas, one of the videos. Here we go. There you go, guys. YouTube channel, guys. So hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And guys, a lot of my programs, videos are centered around working from home. And we have amazing postcard programs. We have direct mail programs. We have Franklin Wealth System. We have the instant postcard wealth program. It's incredible. The Cash Blaster, the Millionaire Mailer. We have a ton of videos up here, guys. Ways and ideas for you to make money at home. Recently, a lot of you have asked for more online programs. So what I have done is every other day or every day that I can get a chance to is upload a video talking about ways to make money from the comfort of your home utilizing online methods. And we're going to go back to mail order programs periodically, but I'm going to try to diversify up for we can have a wide variety of viewers to the channel. So guys, I want to talk about ways to make money with Clickbank. Clickbank is an incredible way to earn money from your home. Let's look at a system that I found, guys, and we'll go from there. Let me see. Okay, it says a new business opportunity. Who else wants to generate easy commissions and create a life of your dreams? It is a step-by-step foolproof system that will start working for you today. Guys, this is a system. It's a Clickbank product that I have made money with from day one. And guys, I've always wanted to consistently promote Clickbank products, and now I'm finding true success in promoting Clickbank products. It is powerful to utilize this system. It is a done for you plug and play system. Let me say that again. It is a done for you Clickbank plug and play system. You plug in your links to the products that you want to promote in the Clickbank marketplace. We're going to go there in just a minute. We're going to talk about some of the best products to promote. And you plug them into the system. It's set and forget. You drop traffic once the system is set up. And guys, the company will set your funnel up for you so you never have to. All you do, you can tell them what you want. And you plug in, tell them what you want, and they will set it up for you. Guys, just simply amazing. Simply a tremendous way to grow and accelerate your wealth at warp speed, and we're excited about that. This is one of the capture pages that you're going to get, guys, that lead to our system. Here is another capture page, guys, that you can get. It says, warning, you're about to discover a product that can produce life-changing results. Use at your own risk. It's a dummy-proof solution helping newbies to create profits up to $1,000, $3,000, $10,000 or more per month. You just put in your best email address there, guys, and the system will follow up with everybody that puts in their email address. They will follow up on your behalf and collect commissions for you day in and day out, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Automation. Oh my gosh, folks. Let me talk about automation. Automation is incredible. It is possible to put your income on steroids by plugging and playing in these systems, meaning you set it up and draw traffic to the system. The system has autoresponder messages. The first product has over 50 messages that go out every single day of the week to collect you profits. Folks, that is incredible. You're talking about so many times a day You're leveraging yourself 1,000 different ways per day, and your wealth is growing exponentially. Folks, that is how the wealthy is getting wealthier by the minute, by the day, by the hour, because they're utilizing systems to do all the heavy lifting, to do the selling, the telling, the explaining, so they never have to. Folks, that is incredible. Now, the product that I'm using to promote Clickbank products that we're using to see exponential growth in our account is the 12-minute affiliate system. Folks, it is incredible. With the 12-minute affiliate system, it's a plug-and-play system. Number one, you can sell this system. It is a Clickbank product itself, and it can put your Clickbank promotions on steroids. If you are a beginner, if you are an advanced marketer, if you're an intermediate marketer, and you want to promote Clickbank products, JV Zoo, Warrior Plus, whatever you decide to plug into the system, it will promote it for you. Folks, absolutely incredible. And it will collect for you residual income. Folks are coming in and they're buying the system right out. They're getting monthly. It's all kinds of ways you can join it. And the details can be discussed here, guys, when you go under the JB Partners. Here's Devon Brown. Devon does an excellent job in explaining the program. I would encourage you to look at this video and see what it has to say. You come in, guys, you can, number one, you get on the JV notification list. Don't miss out on updates. He will keep you updated to what's going on. Create your affiliate link. You get 50% commission, pays monthly, recurring commissions, up to $398 per sale. You just open a Clickbank account, guys. You have your Clickbank account open within 5 minutes. Grab your promotional tools, guys, and promote the 12-minute affiliate. It is just that powerful. And again, the system will give you the tools and the resources to promote itself and other products plugged in on the back end. It's just a wealth of information. It is a institution that you can learn how to be a powerful affiliate marketing professional. When you promote other people's products, guys, you don't have to worry about the customer service. You don't have to worry about this, that, and the other. All you do is plug in, set it, and forget it, and you drive traffic. Let's go, guys, look under the hood of the 12-minute affiliate and see what it has to offer. Before we do that, let's go over to let's go to look under the back office. Once you join, guys, you can become an affiliate. You can grab your affiliate links here, your email swipes, guys, and this helps you promote the system. People opt in the site. The system's going to follow up for you. They're going to send an email out on your behalf. Devon's got it set up. Until somebody purchases it from you, they're going to get an email constantly reminding them to sign up with you. That is absolutely powerful. Also, when you get into the back office, this is how it looks. You can upgrade your account information, and here are the funnels. These are done for you internet marketing funnels. And folks, if you've never earned $1,000 a year, $100,000 per year from home, this system allows you. It is absolutely possible to get that kind of wealth with this system. From what I'm seeing now, guys, we're on a trend to scale up, and the results are just absolutely exciting to see. The funnels that are provided in the back office of 12-minute affiliate are the 3 top niches, proven niches to make you money from home, which is home business, weight loss, and personal development. These, if you can help somebody to grow their wealth, they're interested in the product, they're willing to partner themselves with you. Weight loss, people are always looking for ways to lose weight. That will be with us, guys, for as long as the world is here. Personal development, how to become a better you, how to solve problems in your life. When you provide a product that solves a problem in people's lives, it will resonate with them, and they will purchase from you. Folks, that is incredible. Absolutely exciting. Done for you traffic. The system you sign up, you decide what funnel you want to promote, what system you want to promote in the back office, whether it be home business, weight loss, personal development. Sign up and you order done for you traffic. It's point and click simple. And then other traffic methods. There are free methods that you can. It's a gift that they give you for signing up. They show you other ways of making great income from the comfort of your home. And the personal development library. Just absolutely powerful. Now, let's look at these current recommended products. These are the current ones that we're using now under the home business, which is, again, the highest paying niches in the world today. Home business, how to make money from home, weight loss, personal development. Phenomenal products. In the Clickbank marketplace, there is what we call the marketplace. We have the categories, whether it be arts and entertainment as seen on TV, business and investing, computers, cooking, food and wine, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, so on and so on. What we're focusing on, guys, is internet marketing, business and internet marketing. You click on here, and it will show you some of the top converting products today. And some of these products, I'm looking under the hood in a lot of these products and beginning to utilize these products. And I'm going to begin to do reviews on some of these products because they're just that good. And what we want to do is find the top converting products. And what we do, we go down here and we sort it by gravity. We go down here and click on gravity, and it pulls up the top converting products. Folks, the absolute top converting products are right here up top, and the system shows which ones that you can choose. Now, guys, better than this, guys, into the back office of the 12-minute affiliate, it has already showed you some of the top converting products on Clickbank today, and one of them is the Super Affiliate System by John Credessa. It's in a webinar, guys. If you want to make money online, you get this system here. It is exciting. Guys, the information, you can promote this system, and not only promote it, you can utilize the information that you learn from the system. It is incredible, guys. So super excited about these programs. Now, let's go back. Again, remember, sorting it by gravity gives you the top products in the Clickbank marketplace. You go back over here. These are currently the top recommended products in the funnel. They have already picked the most highest converting products that they're experiencing success with right now, and they hand them to us on the silver platter. These are built into the funnel. When they plug it into your autoresponder account, you can do it yourself, or they'll do it for you. Turnkey simple. This is one of the first products we're going to promote with, and like I said, in the back office. Let's look in the back office of AWeber. In the back office, guys, here we go. Home business is going to be some of the messages that we get, and look at these follow-ups, guys. Let's see if we can look at these follow-up messages. It's absolutely exciting to see the success. The follow-up messages, guys, there are like, in the back office, there are like over 50 follow-up messages that goes out every day on your behalf, compelling people to sign up with you. If they don't sign up the first time, guys, it's an opportunity for them to sign up about 50 more times with you. That is powerful, guys. I'm talking about income on steroids, and we're excited about that. It's going over there, and I'll let it go over there. I'll give it a second. Oh, well, here we go. It's coming up, the follow-up messages. Here we go. Look at all these follow-ups. Done for you. And it's going to promote. Look all the way down. Look at all these messages, guys. You think you can make sales with this, guys? Done for you email follow-up written on your behalf. You're talking about putting your wealth just on complete steroids every day. Whoever opts into your opt-in page is going to get a message from you on your behalf with your affiliate links plugged into every one of these messages. Folks, that is exciting. That is amazing to me. And that is for home business. And that is for the, the home business. Let's see what else. The weight loss, home business, weight loss, and personal development niche. Folks, I got traffic going to all three of these. You're talking about an explosion of income that can happen. It is exciting. Folks, the 12-minute affiliate. This is one of the top recommended products. Again, John Cadessa's super affiliate system webinar funnel is absolutely powerful. Here, we'll put a link below the video for that. That thing is incredible. Take a look at it when you get a chance. Super excited about that program also. Traffic Ivy is in back office under home business. Six-figure Success Academy is back there. Profit Genesis is back there. Zippo Pay is back there. Easy Cash Club is back there. So there are a ton of products to be promoted on your behalf with the system. So guys, it's like a spigot of water. You turn it on. Once you turn it on, apply enough traffic, guys, you couldn't stop the commissions to this system. So it's just that exciting. Now let's go on the weight loss, guys. There are so many. The Fat Disseminator System, Lean Belly Breakthrough, Fat Shredder, How to Transform Your Body. It's amazing. Top recommended products under the weight loss niche. Personal development. It shows the Wealth Compass, how to become wealthy in your mind. Manifestation Magic is a product. Manifestation Millionaire. The Power of Focus. These are personal development items that can go out on your behalf to your subscribers.